my channel. So I just arrived, guys, from the gym here at the house. So now I'm in the kitchen right away. So I'm thankful and always grateful for you have the older kids, because there's someone there to help you with some chores. So before I go to the gym, I asked one of the boys to help me to get ready for making Isabella's food. So for today, guys, for today's video, guys, today I'm just gonna show you real quick on how I make Isabella's food. So I don't really usually, I have at least since she started eating food, I have baby food, which is this one. It's called Cerelac. It's in Thai, but in Philippines they call it Cerelac. I think it's here called Cerelac, the same thing. So yeah, Cerelac. Just letting you know, guys, I don't have filter for my camera. I don't use filter if I take video. I just want normal face. So it might be not, I don't know if it's clear or not, but anyway, this is the food that I buy before when she started eating. And usually I also use this one when I'm really in a rush. So today I'm start making baby food for her, so that we don't need to buy Cerelac. So what we have here, with the help of Steven, before I go to the gym, I told him to remove some of the skin of this. This is sweet potato. So this is all sweet potato. In Bisaya, we call this kamote. And we have here a carrots and pumpkin, which is kalabasa. So we have the kalabasa. In Bisaya, we call it kalabasa. So and chicken, this is 3 breasts of chicken, and I have broccoli. And now it is now boiling water. You just boiled water with some pumpkin and carrots, and with broccoli. So the broccoli, guys, is very pretty. So I'm gonna add a broccoli, carrots together with pumpkin, mix it with chicken. So I add at least 4 breasts of chicken, big one, together with that. And then after that, I have to mix it together, and also I have to blend it. So that's how I made Isabella's food. And also, like, that's her food, guys, for like lunch. No, actually not lunch, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So because I give her 3 times a day food now. And then on snacks, I also give her either I don't give her crackers. So what I give her is very natural, like mango. She like mango. And I also give her a kiwi, and also give her mostly for her snacks is mostly fruits. So I give her for snack fruits, so I have to mix it also. But for this, I have to make a lot of food for her, so you can see that it's a lot. And after this, when it's all done, when it's all cooked, and I have to blend it. So this one need to still not cook all the way, guys. So I still have to boil this one, and then put this chicken. This is 4 breasts of chicken. Put it together here, and then blend it. And then after that, I have to put it in the freezer. So that's how we made a baby food. We made a baby food by putting it in all the freezer, so that when it's already ready. So I don't need to get worried about, hurry and make food for her. So just put it all in the freezer. But way back when like when I was a kid, of course, when I remember with my mom and when we feed my siblings, we don't really make baby food that much, right? Usually we give them nuga, which is we give them ports, I think, in English, but that's what we give in kids, lugaw, mostly lugaw with some vegetables and some chicken in it, a little bit of chicken. That's it. But we didn't really like make a batch of food and put it in a freezer, so I don't do that. And also I have for her, I have still have a lot, guys, a lot of breast milk. So this is my stock of breast milk, and there's another breast milk there. So for now I'm still breastfeeding, but I have like maybe when my milk is not enough supply, I still have some in the fridge, so that's good, because Isabella is not really, we don't really use formula for her, so just my milk, booby milk, that's it. So for now she's doing good, guys. She's really eating a lot. She eats very well, but she doesn't like kiwi, because the taste of kiwi she doesn't like it, but she like broccoli, she like mango, so she like a lot of food except kiwi. She doesn't like it, so she like apple. So that's it, guys. So don't really, I think it saves you also, it saves us a lot of money for not buying a bunch of Cerelac, and also not buying a bunch of formula, because formula is expensive. So you just have to be really like initiative that baby doesn't need to really use formula all the time, unless you can able to do some breast milk. So that's good, because breast milk is really good for the baby. So Isabella is not chubby, guys. She's not, her body is just like Sophia when Sophia's a baby. So she's not chunky. So she's normal baby size. And she like banana. So that's mainly her snacks: banana, apple, kiwi, mango, avocado. She like avocado, so I give her avocado. And also for breakfast, I give her boiled eggs. She like boiled eggs, but I have to be really careful, because she doesn't like white eggs. She like only the yellow egg, but not the white. But I still have to give her the whole eggs. It doesn't matter if she like it or not. You just have to be really like patient with the baby. So that's it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.